Now, in his newspaper, Sudhakar Gopal Ganesh Agarkar gave his staunch opinion or strong support or strong we can say opposition, strong opinion about child marriage. This is Vireshilingam Pantalu. He did the great work for the permission to widow remarriage. And this Gopal Hari Deshmukh in his newspaper Sudhakar, this newspaper was started by Gopal Ganesh Agarkar, and in this newspaper they gave the strong opinion about child marriage, law of consent. Law of consent means permission. Law of consent. Maharshi Vitthal Ramji Shinde organized a conference against the practice of Devdasi. Maharshi Vitthal Ramji Shinde. This person organized a conference against the practice of Devdasi, means at the very early age, in the child age only, some of the girls were left for the god only, that is Devdasi, and it was the very bad tradition in that time. And these women, they do not have the permission to marry. So this was the good thing for the orthodox people. They were trying to give the troubles to this type of girls. So against them, this Devdasi custom, it was strongly opposed by Vitthal Ramji Shinde. In her book Sri Purush Tulna, Tarabai Shinde very fiercely put up her views about women's right. Devdasi custom was opposed by Vitthal Ramji Shinde, and Tarabai Shinde, she strongly against the discrimination on the basis of gender. And in her book Sri Purush Tulna, she fiercely put up her views, or fiercely, very clearly she put up her views or opinions on Sri Purush Tulna about women's right. Maharshi Dhahundo Karve started the Anath Balikashram, an orphanage for girls. Anath Balikashram, or the orphanage means where it's a place where the Anath child, or the childs who do not have father and mother, or they were abandoned by them, these Anath babies were kept at the place, that is orphanage. And it was started by Dhondo Karve for girls, means Anath Balikashram was started by Dhondo, Maharshi Dhondo Karve. Here you can see Maharshi Karve. They started Anath Balikashram, or orphanage for girls. His intention was to give education to all women and make them stand on their own feet. Maharshi Karve, he started Anath Balikashram, and what was his intention? Just to give the equal education for all women and make them self-sufficient or stand on their own foot, means women should take the part in every field of society.